how water is moved to the top of a tall tree? Can you answer? By transportation. Now, what is this transportation? Transportation means the movement of water, minerals and food to the different parts of a plant. Okay, जब पानी, minerals और food प्लांट्स के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स तक मूव करते हैं तो इस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ओके, एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज मेनली डन बाय टू टिश्यूज. The first tissue is called as xylem and the second one is called as phloem. Xylem tissue mainly transport the water and minerals. Okay, minerals और water का जो transportation है प्लांट्स के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में, ये ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जाइलम टिश्यू के द्वारा होता है. नाउ लेट्स कम टू दी फ्लोएम टिश्यूज. फ्लोएम टिश्यूज क्या काम करते हैं? फ्लोएम टिश्यूज प्लांट्स में लीव्स जितना भी फूड बनाती हैं उस फूड को प्लांट्स के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स तक पहुंचाने का काम करते हैं. Okay, so leaves prepare food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis, and this food is spread and moved to the different parts of the plants by the tissue called as phloem. Okay, now students, what are these xylems and phloems? Xylem and phloems are special tissues in the plants that help in transportation in the plants. And transportation of what? Transportation of nutrients, transportation of minerals, water and foods, etc. Okay, food is prepared by leaves. It has to be transported to the different parts of the plants. Similarly, water is needed by plants. So water is transported from a root to the different parts of the plants by the process of transportation, and the tissue is involved in this transportation is xylem tissue. Similarly, mineral has to be transported to the different parts of the plants, and this mineral is carried out from root to the different parts of the plants by the tissue called as xylem. Similarly, phloem is carrying what? Phloem is transporting what? Phloem is transporting the food that is prepared by the leaves of the plants. Okay, so these xylem and phloems are the carrying tissue, or we can say transporting tissues in the plants. Xylem and phloems are the special tissues in the plants that help in transporting the mineral, water and nutrients in the plants. Okay, what's the difference between xylem and phloem? Xylem help in transporting the water and mineral from the roots to the different parts of the plants. Now phloem. Phloem help in transporting the food prepared by the leaves to the different part of the plants. Now coming to the xylem, here the flow is unidirectional. Here the water and mineral is transporting in the one direction from root to the stem, or we can say the different part of the plant. Here movement is from downward to the upward direction, or we can say here the movement is unidirectional. Okay, in phloem tissues the movement is bidirectional. When the food is prepared in the leaves, it has to be transported to the downwards as well as in upward direction. The phloem tissues are transporting the food to the stems, to the flowers, to the roots. So here the movement is bidirectional, means the movement is in upward direction, the movement is in downward direction. So movement is in both directions.